Okay, here we go. Grand time. Wonder why that rooster came out. Maybe he's gonna give it to me. He popped out there a minute ago. You didn't see him? Dang, now I'm getting low. Wow, I see it lit up. Pop in there. Did you see it?
See what, like on numbers?
No, this lit up. Oh my goodness. Could this be the night? 1, 2, 3. Come on, come on. Come on. Oh. Oh well. Oh wow. Okay. Well, looks like you'll get some playing money now.
Don't mess up the rhythm of this.
Yeah. Wow. If you got my card, just go try it again.
Took it that last time. Never gave it back. I still need to give you my card. Dude, you got 3 cards.
I know. I'm trying to get one